Listen up, don't get up till I'm finished. So how you been, man? You good?
When people told me about North Carolina, they talked about Myrtle Beach and Wilmington. But right now, I'm not in Wilmington. I can't get a hold of Hayes. Basically, it's just me and Zen. What we gonna do, Zen?
Now, what do we have here?
Randomly, I just copped another bar. The garage is the only spot on the whole farm that has reception besides the top of a tree. So I'm gonna make that my man cave. Oh shit, is this my...
It's the 450.
No, I don't have a 450, bro. But right now, there's nothing in there. No heat, no AC. So it's just like, sucks. Yo, are these the pit bikes? Yeah, we gotta go ride little pit bikes right now.
Bro, you can't just get someone to ride dirt bikes, bro.
Why y'all got me doing this country stuff? Why can't we do something normal? Like, I don't know, kick it in AC, or where the Xbox at?
Wow, that was the pussiest attempt at a kick I've ever seen.
But it started though, didn't it?
Bro.
Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about! It's your boy. And that's what I'm talking about, okay? All I gotta do. And it's still running. Yeah. So, looks like I can ride a dirt bike, boy.
Why'd you put it back?
Because I was done.
Why are you done so quick?
Oh, so you trying me? Watch out, Skirl.
I'll actually...
Oh, shit, oh, shit.
What are you doing, bro? Like, you're holding the gas.
I be forgetting it's the gas.
Oh, shit.
I be forgetting it's the gas.
He failed with dirt bikes, failed with chickens. I don't think he just liked being here at all. So far, Tez is like 0 for 3 with the farm.
The last time I used a map, I don't think I ever used a map.
So as much fun as I've been having on these dirt bikes, so I've been having a ton of fun on these dirt bikes, you know. No. I invited my buddy Steven over, so we're about to build.
Hit him with the flow, pull it out, hit him with the fofo. Mark ready, set, let's go, but I'm elevated, moving in slow mo. I'ma bet it all, I'ma roll the dice, I'ma do that till I go broke.
What's up?
Hey, Tez is done.
Dude, what's happening?
Right here, this is all you.
Yo, what's up, man? Long time no see.
Don't use any of those. Use this one. Looky here.
Yo, you want to use this?
Of course.
All right,
Grab the other side. I hope I don't die.
There we go. Let's do it.
Look at these idiots. Looking like they're about to do nothing but cause some trouble. Look at these dirty white socks. Look, that's how you know you with some dirt bike kids, if their socks are dirty. Y'all are out of... Okay, I'm actually leaving. Bye.
Hayes, you there? Hello? Hayes, my man, I'm here. Hello, hello, hello. Where you at, man?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, honestly, we've been ripping this thing all day, dude.
Y'all are bored? So much
dude.
You know what happens when kids get bored?
What?
It hurt.
We're on a farm. There's so many random things laying around. There's definitely something we can use to make that thing twice as big. Tez, can we jump you?
Yes!
No,
Tez,
what?
you down.
What?
You're gonna be a part of it before the end of the summer.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, watch out!
Oh!
That's how you build a sick jump.
Or a broken arm.
Dude, you sure about this?
Yo, dude, I think we're good. Honestly, there's metal ramp.
You want to go first? I'd have to hold it wide, like third gear.
I haven't ever done it on a pit bike, dude. Like,
I don't know. I'm thinking.
I think
Give me
it's a
time.
terrible idea.
Give me a count. Give me a count.
No,
All
no
right,
need to start.
all right, let's do it,
not
let's
start
do it.
counting down yet. No need to jump into conclusions.
yo, 5, 4, 3,
No!
2.
No! No! Go! Yo,
Skirt. What's
Yo,
good?
Jackson, Zan!
What is
Zan, come
up?
here!
Jackson. Hey.
Yeah?
Sticky.
Yeah.
Nobody's giving Jackson attention.
Man, after driving cross country, I really thought I'd have a warmer welcome, but I feel like everyone was happy to see Zan.
Man, where were you? I've been trying to call you.
I've been lost this whole time.
How did Zan do in the
Stop.
hotel?
Zan,
Zan got
Utah
the bed,
was
right?
weird. Utah was weird.
Utah, why was Utah weird, bro?
Utah's Utah.
Utah.
I don't mean to be rude, but I'm tired. If I'm sleeping on the couch, I'm gonna be mad. I'm not sleeping on the couch, I know that for sure. There's no way I'm sleeping on the couch. This place is looking small. Where am I staying?
I need you to do me a big favor. I need
What's-
you to not
what's
ask
that, bro?
questions, don't ask anything about it.
All right.
I need you to help me pitch this tent.
Where we pitching it? We pitching the shade?
Hey, you can pick, to be honest. I'll let you pick.
Who's it sent for?
No, I just need to pitch up.
I'll help you out.
Cool, let's go.
Do it. Where am I going? I'm about to fly you on this bike? Come on, bro. I just got here from driving cross country, and the first thing that happens is Hayes asked me to do him a favor.
So, this is where you'll be staying. Here's your tent.
For me, bro? It's gonna burn out like that? Guess I'm stuck with his tent.
We're gonna make Jackson sleep in the tent because he's just took forever bringing Zan here. And then we got a couple good pranks we can pull on him, too. First day here, this is the time for me to least expect it.
Jackson, bro. Jackson's so nice. Are we trying to do that to him?
You took too long to get here with Zan, bro.
You have any ideas?
Some kind of animal.
Well, how are we gonna prank him with an animal? Unless we
The
put it
chickens.
Honestly, would that just be cruel to throw a couple chickens in his tent?
I think it'd be pretty nice, right?
Throw a couple
That'd be
chickens
good
in the
little
tent?
prank.
I don't
Throw a
know, I
couple
mean-
chickens in there. But I'm not grabbing a chicken.
We got the chickens. Skyland's got the rooster.
No, you're getting the rooster. I'm getting.
And we're
How
gonna
about,
throw
how
him
about
in the
Hayes
tent.
gets the rooster?
Okay, Hayes.
Hayes, you get the rooster.
I'm pro chicken. I definitely like chickens a lot. When it comes to roosters, it's a different story because that damn rooster Tucker over there is not nice.
Rooster person in first.
That's me, bro. All right, yo, you're rooster girl. Rooster girl.
It's not gonna
No,
hurt.
this is not the prank on Steven. Oh, no. Oh, shoot, bro.
How did you do that?
The rain thing.
Jackson, this looks so good.
Thank you. I tried my hardest.
All right, Hayes is not going to help me with these last few boxes. Will you please come help me? Come on,
He
Stoney.
listened to
Jackson's
me.
going to help us. Come on. Jackson, baby, thank you so much for helping me.
Of course.
All right, but listen, don't say anything to him. He's got a big, huge surprise at the campfire tonight.
Okay, come on, let's go get him.
What is he gonna do? I didn't really think I'd be sleeping in a tent, but I'm tired, so I guess it's gonna be all right.
The chicken's in there for a long time.
This is about to be a fantastic prank.
All right, cool.
How long were chickens in there?
Guess this is it.
Oh, he fell.
Jackson. Waddle doodle doo.
Man, if I get pranked like this the whole time, I'm gonna have a crazy summer. That's just foul. Man, that's some chicken shit right there.